In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete website from Netlify. If you've decided a site no longer needs to live on Netlify, the cleanest way to remove it is by deleting the project. This action permanently removes the site, its deploys, settings, and project data from your Netlify account. It won't touch your code repository or any external DNS records you manage elsewhere, but do make sure you've backed up anything important and let your team know before you proceed. You'll also want the right permissions in the workspace to perform deletions. Start by signing into your Netlify account and opening your team workspace. In the left-hand navigation, click Projects. This page lists all sites in the workspace and is the best place to start, especially if you manage a lot of projects. At the top, use the search bar to quickly filter by the site's name. As you type, the list will narrow, making it easy to spot the project you intend to remove. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the exact site you want to delete. Click the project to open its overview. From here, you'll move into the settings where destructive actions live, so double check that the site name and environment are correct. At the top of the page, open Project Configuration. This tab holds all of the project level settings, and by default, you'll be on the General Settings section, which is where the deletion control lives. Scroll all the way to the bottom to find the Delete Project section. Netlify places this at the end to prevent accidental clicks, so keep scrolling until you see it. When you're certain you're in the right place, click Delete this project. A confirmation dialog will appear asking you to type the project's name. This is a safeguard to make sure nothing gets removed by mistake, which is especially important if you manage multiple, similarly named sites. Carefully enter the exact project name as displayed, matching spelling and capitalization. Once the name matches, click Delete to confirm. Netlify will remove the project and its deploy history. If the site used a custom domain, remember to update or remove any related DNS records with your domain provider, since those live outside of Netlify projects. Likewise, any build hooks or webhooks you created in your code host won't be triggered anymore, but it's a good idea to clean them up there for clarity. And that's it. You navigated to projects, opened the correct site, went to project configuration, scrolled to delete project, confirmed by typing the name, and finalized with delete. Use this process whenever you need to retire a site, and always double check the project to avoid accidental data loss.